This guy noticed his girlfriend was having a rough morning and did this. It's just beautiful.
When I walk
It's not full yet.
I don't care.
Don't
This
worry
is the
yet.
proof point. No, stop.
Please don't. Please don't. When we get home, you're
Yes,
gonna take it
when
out.
we get, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
The reason I put clean dishwasher during, I specifically did that this morning. I empty the dishwasher so that it can be dirty all day.
Yeah.
So that when I cook, I just put stuff in the dishwasher.
Mhm.
And then I don't have to do dishes.
I love you.
I don't think you started it though.
I might have mispressed the button. You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you.
There's a certain way.
You okay? You're a happy girl today.
Yeah.